Alright guys, we're going to get a little closer here, see if you can see the rotor. Alright guys, here's a little information about the Siren. This is an older Model 5. Probably, just for those of you who are new to my channel, this Siren was built probably back in the 1940s. This is an older Fedelcode Model 5, and it still works. It's a very good Siren. And there's the disconnect switch right up there where I'm pointing. There's the shroud, twin columns. Now the other side of the Siren is the Fedelcode plate, and then right here you can kind of see the door there. So if you guys want to know more, just contact me, and I will try to get a hold of you.